Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speed English. My name is Maya, and I'm very happy you're here today. Let me begin with a surprising fact. The English language contains more than 170,000 words. That sounds impossible to learn, doesn't it? But here is the good news. You do not need to learn 170,000 words to speak English confidently. You don't even need 10,000 words. In fact, many everyday conversations can be handled with a very small group of common words. Today's lesson is all about that idea. We are going to explore how you can speak English more fluently, using just 521 essential words. You will learn why many learners struggle to speak, how English is really used in daily life, and how a small vocabulary can actually help you become more confident. So sit back, relax, and let's begin. Why English feels difficult? Many learners believe they cannot speak English because they don't know enough vocabulary. They spend months memorizing word lists. They learn difficult expressions. They study complicated grammar rules. Yet when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because the problem is usually not vocabulary. The problem is practice and usage. Think about how children learn language. They don't study dictionaries. They don't memorize thousands of words. They hear simple words repeatedly. They use those words every day. And slowly, speaking becomes natural. English works exactly the same way. Most native speakers do not use thousands of different words every day. They use a small group of familiar words again and again. Words like I, you, we, go, come, work, eat, good, bad, happy, sad. These words appear constantly in daily conversations. This means fluency is not about knowing more words. Fluency is about using familiar words comfortably. The 521 words we are talking about today are high-frequency words. These are the words people use most often. They include common pronouns, verbs, adjectives, and nouns. With these words, you can build thousands of useful sentences. For example, I go home. I need food. We have time. She likes music. They work together. Simple words. Clear communication. That is what real fluency looks like. The power of sentence patterns. Now let's talk about one of the biggest secrets of English speaking. Sentence patterns. Many learners collect vocabulary but never learn how to organize it. As a result, they know many words but struggle to create sentences quickly. Sentence patterns solve this problem. Think of sentence patterns as templates. Once you learn the template, you can use many different words inside it. Let's look at some powerful examples. Pattern number 1. I want to. I want to eat. I want to learn English. I want to travel. I want to sleep. Pattern number 2. I need to. I need to work. I need to study. I need to rest. I need to call my friend. Pattern number 3. I am going to. I am going to exercise. I am going to watch a movie. I am going to practice English. Pattern number 4. I like to. I like to read. I like to listen to music. I like to learn new things. Pattern number 5. I have to. I have to wake up early. I have to finish my work. I have to go now. Notice something important. The sentence structure stays the same. Only a few words change. This makes speaking much easier. Your brain loves repetition. When you repeat the same structures many times, they become automatic. Eventually, you stop translating in your head. You simply speak. That is real fluency. Using English in daily life. Now let's move from theory to real life. Because English is not meant to stay inside a textbook. English is meant to be used. Let's imagine a normal day. You wake up in the morning. You can say, I woke up early. I feel sleepy. I need coffee. I am getting ready. I have a busy day. Simple and natural. Now you're at work or school. You can say, I am working. I am studying. I feel busy. I need a break. I have a lot to do. Later in the day, I am hungry. I want lunch. I need water. I feel tired. Everything uses simple vocabulary. Now let's talk about your evening. I am home. I am relaxing. I am watching TV. I am talking with my family. I am preparing dinner. Again, simple words, simple sentences, real communication. Many learners worry too much about perfect grammar. But communication is more important than perfection. If people understand you, your English is working. Remember that. A simple daily practice method. Now let's discuss practice. Because knowing something and using something are completely different. Many people watch English videos every day. They listen to podcasts. They read books. But they rarely speak. And that is why progress becomes slow. Speaking is the skill you want. So speaking must become part of your daily routine. Here is a simple practice plan. Step 1. Choose 10 common words. Only 10. Step 2. Create 5 simple sentences. For example, I work every day. I need water. I like music. I feel happy. I want to improve. Step 3. Speak these sentences aloud. Not silently. Not in your head. Out loud. Step 4. Repeat the same sentences for 3 days. Many learners get bored with repetition. But repetition is exactly what creates fluency. Athletes repeat movements. Musicians repeat songs. Language learners must repeat sentences. The more you repeat, the more natural speaking becomes. Why confidence matters. Now let's talk about something even more important than vocabulary. Confidence. Many learners know enough English to communicate, but fear stops them. Fear of mistakes, fear of embarrassment, fear of sounding different. This fear creates pressure, and pressure makes speaking difficult. The good news is that simple English reduces pressure. When you use familiar words, your brain feels comfortable. You don't spend time searching for difficult vocabulary. You focus on communicating, and communication builds confidence. Here's a simple exercise. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak about your day for 1 minute. For example, today I woke up early. I had breakfast. I worked hard. I talked to my friends. Now I feel relaxed. Simple, but powerful. Do this every day. Your confidence will slowly grow. Remember this important truth. You do not become confident before speaking. You become confident by speaking. Confidence comes from action, not from waiting. Building a daily English routine. Let's create a routine that anyone can follow. Even if you are busy. Morning. Spend 5 minutes speaking English. Talk about your plans. Talk about your feelings. Talk about your goals. For example, today I feel good. I want to learn English. I have work to do. Afternoon. Spend a few minutes listening to English. Listen to podcasts. Listen to videos. Listen while walking, cooking, or relaxing. You don't need to understand every word. Just listen. Night. Spend another 5 minutes speaking. Talk about your day. For example, today was busy. I learned something new. I talked to my friend. I feel tired now. That's it. Simple, practical, and easy to repeat. Speaking in the morning, listening during the day, speaking again at night. This combination works very well. The key is consistency, not perfection. Stop chasing difficult words. Many learners believe advanced vocabulary will make them fluent. But that's not always true. Sometimes difficult words actually slow you down. You stop speaking. You start thinking. You lose confidence. Simple English is different. Simple English moves quickly. Simple English creates flow. Simple English helps you communicate. Think about this. Which sentence is better? I require nourishment immediately. Or, I need food now. Most people choose the second sentence. Why? Because it is simple and clear. Clear communication is always more important than complicated vocabulary. Focus on words you can use every day. Master those words. Then slowly expand your vocabulary over time. Final thoughts. Before we finish today's lesson, I want you to remember one important message. English is not magic. English is not talent. English is not luck. English is a skill. And every skill improves through practice. Today you learned that the English language contains more than 170,000 words. But you do not need all those words to communicate. A small collection of useful words can help you speak clearly, confidently, and naturally. Start with simple English. Use familiar words. Practice every day. Speak even when you make mistakes. Because every sentence you speak is a step forward. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start today. Speak today. Practice today. And little by little, your fluency will grow. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to Speed English for more lessons like this. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.